HX12000PB37S high-speed, perfect binding production line is primarily composed of a perfect binder, gathering system, weighing inspection system, emergency reject station, conveyor line, automatic stacking system, and high-speed 3-knife trimmer. Featuring a fully servo-driven automatic control system, this line delivers speeds of up to 13,000 books per hour, offering high efficiency, quick changeover, superior binding quality, and reliable operation. The following section briefly illustrates the book production process on this equipment. The gathering machine adopts a dual-gripper, double-diameter wheel structure, delivering 2 signatures per rotation. The signatures are collected and arranged in sequence before entering the perfect binder. After entering the perfect binder, the book block passes through vibration jogging, spine milling, spine notching, fine milling, and brushing processes to prepare the spine, followed by glue application at the spine gluing, side gluing, and secondary spine gluing stations. After gluing, the cover delivered from the cover feeder is bonded to the book block. The book then passes through 3 successive nipping stations to firmly press and shape the spine. The finished book is discharged from the perfect binder output section into the weighing system, then transferred via the conveyor line to the stacking machine for accumulation. After stacking on the upper section of the stacker, the books are conveyed to the lower belt and transported to the 3-knife trimmer for final processing, resulting in the finished product.